Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that you can delete pins on Pinterest. So first and foremost, open the page that contains your pins, then open the board perhaps that the pin in question is saved to. After that, touch and hold at the pin that you would like to erase. Do not let your finger go. Wait until this little options appear. Drag your finger to this pencil option, then release it. As you can see here, we've been forwarded to the pin editing menu, and at the edge pin editing menu of any of your pins you have posted to Pinterest, you'll have the delete this pin option, which you want to tap on, confirm your choice, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.